Yo, what's good? It's your boy Driving Addict. Sorry, I thought that was a cool intro. Sorry if I blinded you. Alright fam, tonight we're gonna do Doordash late night edition again. Follow me on my journey. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Driving Addict back at it with another Doordash video. Right now it's 11:12 p.m. on a Monday night, and we are heading to McDonald's for a pickup. So pretty much around here late night all we have is fast food, you know. There's no restaurants that you can come in and walk in and pick up the orders. So when I do gig, I like to do late night, especially during the summer, you know, because during the day is like the heat gets to me, you know. All right, follow me on my journey. All right fam, this is Ohio 725 going westbound, and let's hope this drive-through is not too long. All right fam, here we are. All right fam, 11:17 p.m. and today's drive-through was pretty smooth. No car ahead of me for the drive-through. All right fam, so we got this order. We got some sundae, some McNuggets, Big Mac meal, double quarter pounder meal. So this DoorDash is in Miami Spur, but we're delivering to Springboro. So I think the driving distance, total driving distance for this is about 8 miles for like 11:50 or something. So not the best, but not the worst, you know. And just an FYI, we're in a smaller market, so you know, it's not hopping like Philadelphia or Houston or whatever, you know. We're in good old Dayton, Ohio. I know Cincinnati's a little bit busier, but it's a little bit far from me, from my house to downtown Cincinnati, near the UC, University of Cincinnati area. So from my house to there, it's about 1 hour, you know, without traffic. So I'm just gonna stick to the Dayton area for the meantime, you know. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. All right, fam. It's only been 3 minutes in, and we're about to pick up some food. Awesome, right? Correction to that, it's only 4 miles, and from where I was at to the McDonald's was another 1 mile. So this order is 5 miles for 11.25. So it's a pretty good order, considering there's only a 5-minute wait for the pickup. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. All right, this is the McDonald's on 725 and Heineke.
Turn right onto North Heineke Road, then turn left onto Ohio 725.
It's pronounced Heineke, like kind of like Heineken.
Left onto Ohio 725
But the
East.
Google lady always pronounce it as Heineke or whatever. But it's
Continue on Ohio 725 East for half a
it's
mile.
Heineke. All right, fam. We're on South Gephardt Church, and it helps a lot if you have good headlights late night, you know, like LED headlights or HID, whatever, you know. Especially around these dark roads, you know, which there's a whole bunch in around the Dayton area and Cincinnati also. All right, fam. The bad news is we're running in on empty. The good news is gas only $2.74. You know? $2.74. This is right across from the Dayton Mall at the Speedway, so it's a lot cheaper than New York and California, that's for sure. But you know, my car is good on gas, but you know, I put the pedal to the metal when I drive, so I don't get that 29 mpg like Honda SS, you know. But so gas gone down a little bit compared to like 2 months ago. All right, and we're just sitting here waiting for more orders to come in, you know. And it's really bright compared to the earlier footage in the car, right? All right, fam. So while we're pumping for gas, just you know, a few more tips. You know, I highly recommend getting you know, some sticker like this, you know, stay back whatever delivery vehicle, and it helps if you have a DoorDash decal or Uber or Grubhub or whoever you with, you know. Other drivers will, you know, give you a break on the road. They won't cut you off and stuff like that. What else? Yeah, I know I did a Grubhub tips and tricks video a few months ago, covering pretty much all the driving tools that you need, and a lot of other drivers, they also use Get Upside or Gas Buddy or something. I think that helps a lot. I think I downloaded Get Upside, but for me, it's kind of hard to use. It's not available at every gas station, and you save like $2 to $3 per pump. So you know, it's not like the craziest savings. You know, I usually have a Speedy rewards card or whatever gas station I'm at, so that helps a lot too. And if you have a Discover credit card, you get like 5% cash back on gas purchases. So we're gonna come inside, get some Red Bull, and wait for some more orders. All right, follow me on my journey. All right, fam. So my gas tank's pretty small, you know, 9.7 gallons for $26.84. All right, let's go inside, get some Red Bull, fam. All right, fam. Got some Red Bull, sugar-free. Oh, it's popping. Cousin Vinnies for $10. Not too shabby, not the best, but not too shabby. You know, not the best, but not the worst. And let's accept it. And by the way, I missed an order earlier when I was recording the footage because I'm using my iPhone today. I like to do record with iPhone when I do Doordash, you know, and when I do Amazon Flex, I like the GoPro. What am I saying? Oh, okay. This is a tip for you male drivers, you know, always keep an empty tea bottle. You know what it's for, right? I'm not gonna say it on YouTube, but just always keep an empty bottle handy with you, you know. And yeah, since it's late night, 11:48 p.m. now, so you know, gonna need some Red Bull. You don't want to fall asleep while driving, and I know a lot of my subscribers have been, you know, encouraging me to quit smoking. So yeah, I might try to patch or nicotine gum or you know, Chantix or whatever soon. You know, so cheers to that. All right, fam, let's go to Cousin Vinnie's. 4 miles for $10. You know, not too bad. You know, and last McDonald's order was $7 tip, $1 extra for peak hour, and I don't know how much DoorDash pays. So I guess the last order we made like 11:25 in maybe around 20 minutes. All right, let's go get some Cousin Vinnie's pizza, fam. Follow me on my journey. All right, we're pulling up to Cousin Vinnie's, and this is also right next to Yellow Rose nightclub. It's like a big country nightclub in the neighborhood, and also right next to this gentleman club, Cheeks. So we're at Cousin Vinnie's. All right, let's come inside, pick up this pizza, fam. All right, fam, we got some Cousin Vinnie's, and this one is about 3 miles away, not too shabby. All right, fam, it's popping tonight, but granted, it's 12 a.m. and thank God there's no McDonald's order tonight. You know, I hate those order after 12 because it's no bueno. But the first order I got was 11, second order was 13, so far we made 24. And this frickers is another 11.50 for 6 mile. All right, let's go pick up some frickers, fam. Follow me on my journey. Yeah, speaking of late night, you know what I hate? These left turn and right turn lights at night. It's 12:20 a.m. and you know, I know it's a hill coming down, not too steep, but you know, this would make sense during the day, but not at this time of the, not at 12:20 at night, you know. But hey, I'm not gonna break the law just for one DoorDash order, you know. But just want to put in my 2 cents about these left turn lights late night, you know. Makes no sense to me. All right, fam, we're gonna turn into Frickers. Frickers is also another popular chain bar restaurants
Turn left, then turn right.
in the Dayton area, Dayton metro area. We're at Frickers in Centerville or Dayton, fam. All right, let's head inside and pick up some DoorDash, fam. See you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, just pick up from Frickers in Centerville. And this delivery is 6 miles away. All right, let's go get this money. Follow me on my journey. All right, fam. So I had one order 2 minutes ago, but it was I declined it. McDonald's, $6 for 4 miles, and you know how I feel about McDonald's late night, right? Usually a no-go, you know. And a lot of these McDonald's are starting to shut it down at 12 a.m. late night anyways, you know. They're short of workers or whatever, you know. So I try not to do any fast food after 12, you know. So right now I'm just hoping for some Walgreens order, you know. Had some good experiences with Walgreens order a few days ago. So now I'm head to back to this Walgreens. And there's only one Walgreens that's open 24/7 in the Dayton area, and it's in Miami Spur. All right, follow me on my journey. And this is why a lot of drivers don't drive late night in Dayton, you know. The roads are super dark, and we're not even out in the country, fam. This is in, I think this is in Kettering. But a lot of roads around Dayton are like pitch black like this at night, you know. So you need some good headlights and need good eyes to drive late night in the Dayton metro area. That's for sure. Mad River Road, fam. I don't know why they named it Mad River, but it gets pretty mad at night, late night, without without good headlights. That's for sure. So my headlights I have now are aftermarket headlights. I bought it like 10 years ago. It's pretty decent. It gets the job done, you know, compared to the old yellowish headlights. Alright, fam. Let's head back to this Walgreens, see if we can get anything. If not, then we're just gonna have to go home tonight. Alright, fam. So as soon as I pull up, this thing pops up. And that looks like a no-go for me. That's a no-go. Alright, so I just want to clarify something for new drivers, and I was part of it too. Your acceptance rate does not matter. It doesn't matter if your acceptance rate is 20% or 80% or 100%. Don't worry about the acceptance rate. The rate that you need to worry most about is completion rate, not acceptance rate, you know. Because we're not gonna drive for peanuts, fam. It's gotta be at least $1 per mile. But I'm trying to shoot for $1.30 to $1.50 per mile, you know. Maybe wishful thinking, we're in a smaller market, but do not drive for anything less than $1 per mile, and do not work for anything less than $17 per hour net, and minus gas and wear and tear. Okay, so that's my advice to you. So last one was a decline, and the previous one was also a decline for McDonald's again. Yeah, I haven't had a good experience with McDonald's after 12 a.m. in the Dayton metro area, so we're not gonna accept any McDonald's after 12, you know, unless they try to, you know, have a pickup window or something where you can walk up for Doordash drivers or food delivery drivers. But just sitting through the drive-through for like 45 minutes for one order, that's just that's no bueno. All right, so I'm gonna sit here for another couple of minutes, and then if there's no action, then we're just gonna call it a night, you know. It's 1 a.m. right now. Yeah, I'm sitting at this Taco Bell in Miami Spur. So far this dash been $38 for like an hour, 50 minutes or so. It's a pretty good 2-hour dash, you know. Alright, fam, let's see what's gonna happen in a few minutes. If not, we're just gonna call it a night. And if I don't record another clip, then thanks for watching this episode of Doordash vlog. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, please smash that like button, please ring that bell for more DoorDash videos and food delivery videos. All right, my wish came true, fam. Walgreens 11 for 6.7 miles. So it's not the best, but I'm gonna accept it, and you know, end the night on a good note, I guess. All right, let's get this money. Alright, fam, so from here to Walgreens is about 2 miles, and then from Walgreens to the house is another 4 miles or so for $11. So I'm guessing around 6 miles for $11, and let's hope that he gives some extra. All right, fam, follow me on my journey. All right, fam, so you wonder what people eat late night at Walgreens? Got some Reese's, some nacho chips, some Chips Ahoy, some gummy bear, you know. It's my kind of order, because sometimes these Walgreens shopping order, you gotta do 40 pack of water or whatever, and you know, well, just an FYI again, I think Doordash is trying to buy Instacart for 40 billion or something, and I'm not sure if that went through yet. All right, and let's go deliver these goodies, fam. Follow me on my journey. All right, fam. It is like 2:30 a.m. My wife is sleeping, so just want to say thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button. Thank you so much.